Paint filling machines are mainly a small category of filling machines. In terms of the degree of automation of production, they are divided into semi-automatic filling machines and fully automatic filling production lines. In terms of the nature of the filling materials, they are divided into explosion-proof filling machines and ordinary filling machines. Filling method: ordinary submersible filling and lifting submersible filling. Application industry: paint, ink, paint, asphalt, glue, lubricating oil, petrochemical, fine chemical, and other liquid, fluid, paste products. Main features: 1. The system filling machine adopts weighing filling with high metering accuracy and is not affected by the material. 2. The feeding valve composed of fast addition and slow addition can not only increase the filling speed but also improve the filling accuracy. 3. The metering range is large and the metering error is small. 4. The filling head adopts an anti-drip device, and the material poured out does not produce bubbles, and the effect is good. 5. Automatically control the material feeding, equipped with pneumatic clamping cover and pneumatic pressure plate device. Standard configuration: instrument, GME, sensor, Mettler Toledo, pneumatic components, air-tack, explosion-proof, FEAS. Self-matched, feed pump, outlet pressure at 3-5 kg, flow rate greater than or equal to 16 cubic meters per hour. Operation method: manually move the barrel, manually start, automatically open the feed pump and large and small feed valves, close the fast feed valve at the set working point 1, stop the feed pump and close the slow feed valve at the set working point 2, manually cover and move the barrel to the capping position, with auxiliary positioning device, manually cap, manually move the barrel after capping, put into storage. Upper and lower barrels are equipped with stainless steel rollers. Fully automatic multifunctional filling and capping machine. Product name: fully automatic multifunctional filling and capping machine, can fill 25L 200L ton barrels. Application range: the equipment is suitable for chemical, petrochemical, food raw materials, pharmaceutical and other industries. Basic parameters: power supply AC 220V 5060HZ 0.2 kW, air source 0.5-0.7 par. Filling volume 100-1200 kg, graduation value 0.1 kg. Filling capacity 25L 120-180 barrels H, 200L 45-60 barrels H, IBC ton barrel 6-10 barrels H. Filling accuracy less than or equal to 0.1% FS. Filling gun material SUS 30 for SUS 316 PTFE optional. Explosion-proof grade, X11 BT4, optional. Product features: using visual port search, the equipment is compatible with 25L, 200L, including pallets, IBC ton barrels, automatic positioning of barrel mouth, and opening and closing lids for filling. This machine has the function of no filling without barrels, and no filling without the filling head inserted into the barrel mouth, which can effectively avoid material waste and pollution of the surrounding environment. This machine has two lines, one for filling 25L barrels, and one for filling 200L, including pallets and IBC barrels. System features: English display, 7-inch full Chinese color LCD screen, full Chinese full-style guided operation. Intelligent efficiency: filling is prohibited if there is no barrel on the scale, differential pressure, zero-time difference, barrel collision protection, automatic peeling, intelligent anti-fall, fault detection, etc., which can realize single-person operation of filling and capping operations at the same time. Professional filling nozzle, derived from German technology, 5-layer seal, professional design to ensure no dripping after filling. Fast positioning, swing filling, can move left and right, front and back, suitable for IBC ton barrels and 50 gallons 4-way filling. Convenient operation, filling gun, quick operation, key starts, emergency stop, filling height adjustable 250 mm, suitable for barrels of different specifications. Function switching, net weight, gross weight, automatic, manual function switch.